Okay, actually, in the today's session,
Hmm.
in last session, this error is coming on your warning. Actually, on there, we
Hmm.
have some on here library not set on there. Like on here, Control Shift P. We need to
Hmm.
set this interpreter. Okay, Python select. If it this not select, then this will burning because this is package. Okay, so then
Okay.
package in which respect? So this package is respect of Python. So we
Hmm.
need to select these things. This not select on that time. So I I know and we need to select this package only. Okay,
Okay.
this is issue on here. Package select interpreter this. Okay, and
Okay.
in this interpreter like on your Azure AI Vision 6 this December. This is project. Okay, this December,
Okay.
and this is a software. Okay, I select
Okay.
this only. So then after that we have done no, and same code that in yesterday
Hmm. Hmm.
and we run. Okay, so I check the image on here. Which image? This is image. Okay, on here in this image we have in this temple as a the this content it will read because I will read the content from the image.
Hmm.
Okay, I
Okay.
will read content from the image. So
Okay.
CLS. Okay, uv done
Hmm.
read test.py, uv done read test.py, this read test.py. Okay, then enter. Okay, now you can see in this temple data read from this
Hmm.
image. In this temple, A the heart of the
Yes. Yes.
people
Yes.
from
All the
the
text is coming.
yeah, all the text is coming from the image. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I am doing from this service only that purpose I am using. I read the text from here.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So I read the text from here and now uh, suppose that we have one landmark. Okay, suppose I have one park. In the park, we have
Hmm.
uh, four person, two car, and one dog, and something. How many
Hmm.
means that things? This is a object in this on here. We can say on here. This is how many object: person, dog, car. How to identify? Okay,
Yes. Yes.
how to? Hmm. Yeah, tell me.
No. 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 Nothing. 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 Continue.
Okay, okay. So how to identify image in the playground? How to recognize which is image is person, which image is car, which image is okay dog, something. Okay. So how to
Hmm.
recognize these things? So for this we have created the another class. Okay, image analysis dot py. Okay. So on here write the code from .nb. Okay. OS. We need library from. I copy this library. Okay. Azure AI Vision, image analysis, and visual feature, and we need to credential, and this is for the error purpose. Okay. Now we will add the write the method on here. Use load environment. We load the environment file, and this is for the setting AI service endpoint. This is the endpoint we have. And after that, if not available, then message will come. Environment file is not available. If available, then set the key and set the endpoint on here. Now, okay. Now I check the I get the image on here. So these things. Okay. So on here, try try. We will use image analysis client and okay and this credentials and okay, this is create the instance of the image analysis client. After that, we may need to set image URL like this is a city scoop. We have image name is on here or the image on here straight. Okay, we have straight image straight straight straight.jpg. Okay, now open image path. Okay, open image path and as a you write on here image file image file. Okay, now image data image file dot read image file dot read. Okay, now call the response on here. Okay, so uh, image file set on here from the image path. Okay, then image data on here. I read the image now. I get the response response is equal to client dot analysis. Okay, inside the client dot analysis I pass the image data and going to pass the image data and and we have feature the categories. uh, okay, on here we have passed the tags. Okay, like suppose that we have in the park we have dog. Okay, people and car. Okay, so then we need to mark how to mark through the tags and on here how many object on there objects. And now uh, visual feature dot people, how many people on there, people, PEO. people, and we need to caption like visual feature dot caption. Okay, visual feature dot caption, visual feature dot text, visual feature dot object. Okay, we have people. How many object on there? Text, we need to text means tag. This is a these things and caption. Okay, I will get the response for the image data.
Here image visual feature dot caption and visual feature dot text. What's the meaning of that?
Yeah, text. Suppose that key I open the image first. Okay, this is a image. This is image. So on here identify. On here this is a person. So this is mark on here. This is a person. This is a person. This is a dog. This is a car. Then on here sign mark on there. Through this uh, this is on their mark sign on their mark sign for through this uh, through this caption. Okay, identify caption tag, and we need to suppose that we in the uh, in the ground we have 10 object. 10 object means 10 entity on there. In the entity we have we need to identify people. Okay, on there. And text, we need to text means mark sign means identify that is a person. This is we can understand it is marking, uh, 10 things is marking. So caption and text identify that things. I complete these things, then I show in the image how to use that things. Near response. Now if caption. Okay, on here we have the suppose that ki some when we have person, so I am not 100% this is a person or this is something. Okay, so for that we this value is a confidence. Okay, like that you are nimit 100% you are nimit, but I am analysis that you are not nimit, then maybe 50% you are in nimit. Or any dog this is 50% or 70% or 10%. I will analysis only. That value is called confidence. And caption name. Okay, I just tell you just 1 second. Now respond the text. Okay, on here this is confidence and tag name. And we have object. Object we have. Okay, so like okay, uh, we have image things, image data image. Okay. Now again on here image is equal to image path, image path. Now what? Okay. We need to plot means identify that this some circle. So for that we use library on here. Mm, import uh, from image for that this image and image draw. And one library use the matplotlib for the plotting purpose. Okay, so on here image and plot dot axis of, and on here plot dot we want to figure out okay this things is image uh, figure okay, 10 and we want to show the image on here figure and plot and draw dot okay draw is equal to image dot image, and now we can show the color is equal to you can see by and now okay, now you can see on here response dot object dot pupil pupil okay response dot object dot pupil list okay. Now angle is equal to um, current 20% person rect is equal to person dot I bounding box and then draw is equal to draw dot rectangle, and on here we need to coordinate assign on here x y z and height and y okay outline color okay outline color we define on here color and white okay I draw this I draw this rectangle okay now okay I tell you one by one I draw the image on here. Now mhm, I I get the image. Okay. Image card. Okay. And I read the image and I save that image in the another folder. Synchronized image. So mm, I identify or annotated image. Annotated image is equal to okay is equal to in the image you can create on here folder. Okay, one folder I am creating on here folder. Mm, just go to the definition on here. Okay, image inside the outside. I create the one folder outside. Okay, output output. Okay, inside we save the image output. Okay, output. Then image people detectives. Okay, now if we want to plot this image plot now and plot that zip file on here. Plot that zip file and print. Okay, confidence with the confidence. And after we have exception, if any got exception, ext except and now we have one method is this. So format. I tell you one by one. Just I run these things. Okay. So CDSRC. Okay, CDSRC. Then UB UB run image analysis.py. Okay, error is coming. What the error is coming? Respond.client missing visual feature. Okay, image analysis client.analysis. Line number, line number, line number 19119. Line number one here. This is a man. Okay, client dot Client analysis, image data, feature, caption, tag, object, pupil. And this is saying that image analysis client that analysis missing one require positional argument. Image analysis client. This is correct. Image analysis. This is correct. This is correct. Okay, image analysis correct. And on here, this read file. Okay, it is saying that we need to image analysis client. One is a endpoint, second is a credential endpoint. This is endpoint, and this endpoint come from here. This endpoint come from here. Copy, paste, and copy, paste. Okay, key and endpoint. Then endpoint key, API key, credential, and endpoint. This endpoint. So here it's saying Azure key credential, API key credential. Let's check the things on here like indirect and ADSRC, UV run, UV run image analysis dot py. Same error is coming. I just check on the Google for the error. Visual feature. Give the image analysis, image data, and feature, caption, text, object, people. Only change the argument name in the code feature to visual feature. Okay. Okay, these things. These things is over here. Okay. Now again run this code. Okay. Now again different issue is coming. What is the issue coming on here? This is coming image analysis result. Object has no attribute caption. Did you mean caption? Okay. Then you run this line caption. Okay. Line number 35. Then it is saying caption. Okay. On here caption. Caption.confidence. Okay. Now again run. Okay. Then switch on here. Caption the text. Caption. Caption the text. No truth test. Okay. Let's see no attribute then. And confidence. Responder. And just I remove this line. Okay. Now it is saying response dot caption dot test. Okay. And on here response dot caption dot confidence. Okay. Okay. Now we'll check. Now next error is coming on here. Tag name. Okay. It is saying response.text.list. Okay. And take that tag name and okay. Check. Okay. Now line number 47. Okay. It is an image. Then image we have okay. So image this is image on here capital. Okay. This is a small on here. That reason is coming image and then run. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Again run is coming again. But output is coming. But again run by fix the first error. Then we'll check what the error is coming. Main. Okay. Analysis line number person that boundary works. Okay, boundary works. Boundary works. Person that boundary works. Okay, and dot rectangle and this is outline. Okay, rectangle person rect. Is saying boundary. What did you mean boundary works? Okay, I click on getting object on here. Okay, object. Then people come on here, people list person. Then we'll check. That person object has no activity. Detect person object has no attribute. Determine person. Person response. Persons respond dot people. Person dot respond dot people dot list. And then person dot boundary box. Draw dot rectangle. And here is coming. Person dot bounding BOU. Okay, spelling mistake on here. On here spelling mistake. Okay, BOU. BOU. Okay, BOU. Bounding box. Okay, again error is coming. Next error. A rect dot x, rect dot y, and rect dot x plus rect dot y. Okay, byte and rect dot y plus rect dot height. Then again a line on here height. Line number. Okay, I draw the image on here. Then image annotated. Okay, image. This image path. Plot that show image. Plot that show here image. So IMG. So this function we need to use. Okay, now you can see the output on here. Okay, uh, confidence means this is priority is 1.00 outdoor. We have land, vehicle, building, road, wheel, street, person, clothing, text, bear, dog, yellow, walking, city, woman. All things is all object detected on here. And confidence priority. But the means how suppose 100%. Okay, as a ratio on here. Confidence means analysis how analysis only that is a dog or that is a something other that value is a confidence here.
What is the meaning of confidence here? Confidence means
Confidence means suppose I guess it is a park. Okay, I guess only, but you are guessing it is not park. Then on here percentage 100% it is a park, 50% it is a park, 10% it is a park. Okay, this is on your priority. So that base it is called confidence. Okay, how many percent, how many mm, uh, percentage it is correct. Okay, so when you get more value, then it is a 100% that things. Okay, on here, on here 100%. This is 0.99.
Hmm.
Mainly chance is a, this is correct, but you can see on here mainly things on here, but here you can see 0.07. This is rare. mm, I am guess this is a person, but it is rare case is a person because 0.07. But you can see on 0.95 it is a mainly 101%, matlab only 5% is less.
Hmm.
This is a person. Okay, I am only guess on here. Okay, on the guess purpose, on the based on the guessing, I analysis that is a person. So that means that value is called confidence. So I open the output and click on here. Then you can see. Okay. So you can now you can see this is a rectangle on here.
Hmm.
This is a rectangle. Okay. This is a I detect the on here. This is person, and this is person, and this dog, and on here this is object, this object, this object. Okay, and on here this some any person, and on here this some object. Okay, now based on image, so how many object on there, how many object on there, like 3D SRC vision uh, image analysis. Okay, I'm a analysis.py.
All are coming in that same color. So we need to change the
Yeah,
colors
yeah,
in
we
the
can,
code
yeah, we
for the
can change that.
text, for the text purpose, for the
Yeah,
tagging. You can.
yeah, we can change the color on here. Like this is a I will use you on the people cyan.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, you can change
Hmm.
on your red.
Hmm.
So you can check on here again. CD.
No, actually, thing is that in your image, all the objects like tag, person, all are coming in the same
Mhm.
square, color
Yeah,
square.
so actually I am analysis only on here. I first I first check the I on here one by one line. Okay, this is a service. Okay, this
Hmm.
service
Hmm.
is the
Hmm.
endpoint. Okay, from this end we have service. We have called the service. This service this service we need to call this cognitive service. Okay, in the Azure.
Hmm.
Then give the I have get the output. Okay, on here in the client. Okay, on here create the
Hmm.
instance of client. On here based on the client API call, I analysis the image. I analysis
Hmm.
the okay, I analysis the image. Okay, after analysis the image I get the result. I get the result. Okay, i I read the images. In the images multiple things. Okay, on there in the image multiple things. And now we have
You open wrong file actually. You need to open people detected.
yeah, that's because both
Image fourth. Yeah. Third.
this,
Sorry. Yes.
Okay, this because all code is same on there and on here.
Mm,
Okay,
no issue, no issue.
this line is same on the other things. Okay, after that
Mm,
image check and then image read. Okay, image read and image data pass in the service. Okay, API call in the API call. Okay, this API call and on here I
mm,
send the image data to the
mm.
service and
Okay.
service cloud service read the image. Okay, that
And
that cloud service analyze the image with the how many features we have analyzed on here: caption, text, object, and people.
people.
Things we are passing on here: text, object, people. Okay, so you can see in the image also. You can see in the also on here. Okay, I will tagging people. Okay, objects. How many objects on here? Okay,
One
all.
one doubt is there. The dustbin, the dog, also the object, na?
Yeah,
Building is also object.
but on here I am only that I analysis on means that means which is you can alive. Okay, so you can see these things. Person I am analysis on here. I am analysis the person. Okay,
For
now
the object part, for the object, you are analyzing the image in image, humans, people's tag, caption, and object. So
hmm.
my question is that if it is an object,
Nahin, on here
okay.
before that I clear on this. We have passed the
Mm,
we have people on here. Okay, people.
people.
But inside the people we have people object. Okay, and we need to tag only. I mark the sign. Tag means I
Okay,
sign.
okay.
Okay, caption, like you can caption or something, write the caption. Okay, some text or something, this is the caption text.
Mm,
this is
mm.
in, this is only for the marking purpose. This parameter we pass the marking purpose. Okay, we have people on here. We pass the people on here. Now you
Okay,
have.
you are only marking the people. You are marking the people only in the
Yes.
image.
Yeah, marking the people only. Now you can see people, object, and count, join, name, partition, strip. Okay, strip, swipe, title. So I change these things. Okay, I change the things. Caption, object, people, read, text, format, like I I change the name on here. Read, smart crafts. Okay, then I check. Terminal, how to open on here? Terminal. Okay. Yes, I am here. CD. Okay. Now, without here. Now you can see uh, on here. You can see uh, people is not coming. Okay. Now you can see person identify on here. Okay. In the above output, you can identify only person.
Okay.
Okay. But in the below output, not identify the person. Okay. On here, first identify how many things we have: outdoor, land, vehicle, building, road, wheel, street, person. Okay, based on the person, like we want to on here person, woman, like I just test on here only. I only test on here. This thing is working or not. Okay, boom. So, okay, this thing is not working because it's saying boom is not that things on here. Okay, that means I only add that things on here. Pupil means all things on here. And smart card, caption, dense caption, object, read, text, and center, count. Okay, and format, join, make trans, partition, like we can use the strip. Okay, I check this what strip. Okay, so analysis query is invalid. Is it not working on here? Uh,
No, no, no issue with that. No issue with that. Actually, I was not clear about that. This caption tag and object. So now,
okay,
what I
okay,
understand you from your side that I'm repeating it. We are captioning and tagging the objects which are people
correct.
with that red color.
Yeah, yeah. This is a red color. We
Okay,
have
so
caption
go.
and tag.
Okay, the image generated output. Can you show me?
Yeah, yeah. Just 1 second.
Hmm.
Okay. Now open the image. Now you can see red color coming on.
Okay, so why the red color there on that car of proof? People sitting
Okay,
in the car, it is
the
okay.
roof. This is a pupil on here. In the car, this is a pupil on here. This is
No,
a
this car, people sitting in that car, which is marking red.
okay. Okay, just I check on here in the image. Mm, straight. Okay.
Only that is he is sitting but on the roof. But yeah, this is where your mark is there, na? In that roof, on the whiteboard. People is not there, I think.
But it is identify that person on there.
Yeah, person all there marking
Suppose, suppose that
the
on here.
girl,
Okay.
lady behind the car.
Now you
Yeah,
can see
on
this
the
is,
footpath of man. Yeah, he marked that. But
this is a
why he
person.
marked the
Okay.
cars? Yeah, this is person.
Okay.
Why mark this white in your
Yeah.
output
Yeah.
image?
Mhm. Okay, you can see this is a person. Okay,
Yes,
inside the
yes, yes,
this is a person.
yes,
Okay, on
yes,
and this is a person. Okay,
yes.
one, two, three, four, five.
Four,
You can
five.
understand. Okay.
Huh.
But image is saying API is saying this also on side this person we have. But how many percentage on there? Just I guess on here how many percentage this. Just I again check these things. What is the percentage of these things? Only this is analysis. That is a person. UV run. Okay, just again this command. Okay, now you can see only this is detecting 0%. Okay,
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
analysis only, but
Hmm.
here it is not 100%. This is person. This is 0% only here, but it is a
Okay.
95 percentage. You can 25 percentage. Like this is a 95 percentage.
Hmm, everything.
You understand clearly this is a person, but this is a 20 25 percentage. This is a person. Okay, and this
Okay.
is a
Okay.
22 percentage, and
So
inside
can
the
we? So can we in that API response we are getting that API response percentage to percentage with confidence. So can we use that confidence in that result and mark only that if it is not 0% or like greater
Yeah, yeah.
than
We can do the validation
mm,
as a as I say, you can suppose we have 60 greater than 60%, then
mm,
only we can recognize the that is a person. We can add the validation on here. Like on here we have listed the data.
mm.
Okay. Mm, we have suppose on here this is a confidence. Okay, this is a person that caps people. uh,
No, come below where you are marking right now in this
mm,
person this
yeah,
method.
this is it. Okay, this is on here.
Mm,
We can add the condition. On here we have add the condition. If percentage 0.60 greater than, then
mm.
it will identify only. We can write the condition on here. But API, all data from the API, I will show you what
Okay,
the
no issue, no issue. Only for the learning purpose I am asking for that.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So, but mainly API analysis. API actually this config service API analysis, that is a person, but
Mm.
person confidence level is zero. That also same your guys, because guess that is a not person. 100% this is not person, but also that is a saying this is a person. I am only detected, but this is a 0 percentage. Okay,
It's
only one person is a 95%, second 25, 22, 7, and after
mm.
that it is a rare case 0.01, because this is only analysis on here there.
Hmm. So I think it seems that it is API is marking identify the person on the basis of the colors, skin
uh,
colors. Because if you see in that image, that
mhm,
the roof have a black and skin color. So might
mhm,
be the issue with that he is marking that white chart on the car is as a people because in
mhm,
the next car of yellow color it is
mhm.
marking as a blue looking it's painted like a blue so might be so I'm not sure about that but it is working on that on the best of the skin color this API.
Maybe because this is a cloud API. On here
Mm,
uh,
mm,
uh, we have how to write this API in the cloud. So I'm not here, but I am only but the output on here. So we
yes,
can,
yes.
regarding the output, we can guess this is a person on there. We are showing the 95 percentage. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and this is ratio less. So according the API, give the output L, and I am only analysis on here. Okay, image analysis. How many things on here, and the API side in the this is API in like right in the okay GenAI means model. So on the model, how to analysis that things mm, on for that we need to read how to analysis this API, how to write. Okay, so only I am a guess on here. This is like on this is a rope, but I am understand. So this is not person, but it is saying this is detected 0%, but 0% means no person. Okay,
Hmm.
zero confidence is no person means
Hmm.
because when you write the output will be greater than 70
Hmm.
percentage,
Hmm.
70%, 72%, then that is a considered this is a person,
Hmm.
and less than we have no person. Write, you can write this condition.
Okay. So how to write a condition? Can you show me
Yeah,
where and how?
on here person,
Hmm.
on person list, and we can person dot consequence for loop. Okay, person if person dot consequence greater than
Point
7.
six. Okay. No. Hmm.
find 7. Okay, then okay, now greater than 0.7, then I'll check the output on here.
But it will mark that image in the circle, in that square. But if we do not mark to that, then
Okay, you can,
if
if
we
you,
put
okay, that condition also you can add on here. You can mark the circle on here, draw the circle on here. Okay, then you can, this is list, and confidence, we need to check the confidence also. Okay, box in box, and color, draw the color, and image path. Okay, so image, draw, person, list. Okay, now on here,
if we write in the output in that for loop inside that line number 52, if the person dot confidence greater
yeah,
than,
yeah,
yeah, here.
on here, actually this is a, okay, yeah, this is a, we can write on here,
Hmm.
copy, and these things. Okay, then this code will execute.
Okay. Okay, no issue. Below condition we can remove.
Yeah.
You can come to print.
Mhm.
63 line number one workspace. No. Tab. One tab. Yeah. No, not right.
So you can, then I check the output, what the output of this here. UV run image
H.
nr
Analysis.
dot py. Okay, okay,
Fail
something.
to fail.
Okay, now you can see only one person on here.
Show the image.
Image, the show the image.
Output.
Okay, now you can see. Okay,
But in the previous output 95%. Make it six. Make it six. Make it six.
yeah, where? Sorry.
Okay, these things I will check it at my level. No issue.
Yeah, this is 95, means 95%. I am only, this is a ratio from with the 1, but this is a,
Yes,
you
yes.
can like 95 percentage. Okay, so only
Okay.
one image is coming. Okay, understand these things?
Yeah, got it very well.
Okay, so now I will now next point I will discuss with the how to
Hmm.
recognize the face.
Okay.
All these things. Uh, Suppose we have two faces, है ना? And then how to recognize this is face or not. So face hyphen analysis dot py. Okay, just 1 second. So actually, how to identify the face? Okay, so we have face. Suppose that this is a, we have face. This is a land. This is a like a ground. Okay, so in the ground multiple landmark. So my face multiple landmark, like one is a we can talk about the mm, above the eye eyebrow. Okay, left eye eyebrow, right eyebrow. Okay, then we will talk about the eye left top and eye right type top. Okay, just I open the face on here. People. Okay, so then you can see this is a okay, left eye, uh, eye left top. Okay, eye right top. Okay, and um, this is a okay, this is a pupil left, pupil right. Okay, and this is a, you can say, upper lip. This is a upper right lip. Okay, this is nose and upper head. And okay, like this, we have 27 landmark on my face. This is a predefined 27 landmark on my face. From through this 27 landmark, this API, which API we will call this API analysis, that person is that things is a face. Okay, that thing is a face. When analysis through the API 27 landmark, through the 27 landmark, it will analysis that it is a face or not. Okay, okay. So multiple things on here check face blur or we check the glass. Okay, head pose, mask. If you wear the if you facial mask is worn or whether nose, mouth are covered. Okay, noise uh, and and these things you can mm, uh, understand. Okay, through this we can detect the face. This is a face or not, and based on the we have a uh, level of detection.
So these are the benchmarks to identify the
Yeah,
faces.
this is a this is you can say this is a predefined, pre-built
Mm,
things. Based on these things, we will analysis that it is that is a face.
okay.
So I on here we write the code for it. Uh, for that we need to first install the one library Azure
Mm.
Eye Face Vision. Okay, so
So these APIs from Azure API we are using, but these are the paid ones or free ones?
this API is a paid, but
Okay.
you can use for 30 days. You can free.
Okay.
If
Okay.
you not if you have credit card, then you can add that credit card and then you can
Okay.
use for the free
Okay.
content for 30 days.
Okay. Okay.
After that, it will paid as a requirement as a go model. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
as you use, then you can pay. Like in some, if you for the learning, no
Mm-hmm.
more charges. Suppose you can use 1 hour or 2 hour. Then after then you can
Mm-hmm.
close, remove the resource. Then no charge on there.
Okay.
Based on the utilization, it will charge.
Okay.
So I will install one library. Uh, Studio library. mm, Azure AI Vision Face. Okay. So the pip command also you can use the UV command with the we will I will take use on here UV command with UV command. Okay. UV8 Azure AI Vision Face. This is command. Okay. Also, you can go to the portal. On
Hmm.
there, you can also get this command. So now on here, SRC. Okay. Now UV8 Azure AI Vision Face. Now it will edit. It is edit. Now we check on here Tom file. Okay. Azure AI Vision Face 1022. Okay. Now we can write the code for it. From dot nb import load import os. Okay. And now we will from library add library from Azure AI analysis image analysis client.
Hmm.
So on here we change the image face. I change the on here face because I am checking the face client. This is change on here. And now we have okay one is a from image vision okay dot face dot model okay and this is a vision service option and on here the face detect okay face detect model then face recognition face recog model and then face face attribute type okay this is to import for the face now we have another is a for the credential checking for one for the this is a credential okay the second for the exception from okay this is exception this two line will change on here now and also we need to draw okay for the draw purpose we have add the from dot import image draw okay we need to import two things on here then also plot matplotlib using the matplot okay matplotlib okay now I write the function def now this is a endpoint okay endpoint now I write the code on here okay. So face client endpoint and these things now I check the image change the image path on here dot okay. Behave write the images and behave images inside the images behave take the pupil pupil okay so open rg this file I get the data okay from the file now okay on here I read the data now detected face and detected model okay recognize model and return face Before that, we will use the CJ age. Okay, this is error coming in here. Uh, uh, Image. Okay. Before that, I will add feature on here. Feature features is equal to. Okay. Now on here, one is a type age. We need to not need to age. We need to head pose. Head pose means head, and on here we will collision, and we need to check the glass also. GLA. This is a parameter. According, I will check the, and I will also check the mask face attribute type dot mask. Okay. According your parameter, you can pass also different parameter. Okay, this is a feature, and this feature pass on here. Okay. This is a face client. Okay. Now face client. Now, now face detected. You can write on your response. This is a response. Okay. Response. Then no face detected. Okay. Print. Then otherwise. Okay. This is for the face purpose. Actually, today I have some work, so I do continue tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Next day.
Okay, okay, no issue.